Why then are you guys still bashing them for having an Igbotic accent? I'm going to be mentioning names. Alma Bell, Binta Smile have been bashed because of their Nigerian accent. Fantastic Favor has been bashed because of our accent, because they have their Igbotic tongue. What I have learned in my life, in my entire life, is that I cannot please everybody. Hey girls, welcome back to my channel. It is your favorite girl and I'm back with another video. As you guys can already tell by the title of this video, it is going to be me addressing all the hateful comments that I've been getting about my American accent, all the questions that I've been getting. I'm going to be addressing everything in this video. But before we dive right into this video, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, hurry and just go do that right now. I know you're itching to join this family, so you might as well just subscribe and join this baby girl. Thank you. And also turn on your post notification bell button so that you know when I upload a new video. And with that said, let's dive right into this video. A lot of you have been leaving comments in my comment section telling me, oh, where are you from? Or your accent is fake.
Oh, I hate the way you talk.
Oh, I hate the way you speak.
Your faking accent.
Or your forming accent. Whatsoever, bloody hell, whatever. Now, I am Nigerian, full-blooded Nigerian girl. How my accent came about was me growing up watching a whole lot of American cartoons, watching a whole lot of American movies, listening to a whole lot of American music, and also I had some American friends growing up. So this is one of the things that actually contributed to my American accent. It's just like you migrating from Nigeria to America to live there for 20 years, and as much as you try your best not to sound American, your accent will be influenced one way or the other. Even if it's just a tiny little bit, you will start to sound like them in one way or the other, or behave like them. So that is one of the things that actually contributed to my American accent. Another thing that actually contributed into my American accent was me being able to emulate people. I know how to copy people. I feel like that is a talent, being able to sound like a cartoon character or sound like your favorite actress and stuff like that. And that was one of the things that actually contributed to my accent thing. And when I recorded myself, I realized that I can actually speak like the Americans if I really wanted to. So then I took it further by going to learn online. Yes, you can learn how to speak like an American. If that is what is paining you, you can actually learn how to speak like the Americans. You can Google some courses, you can pay online. I paid some coins to be able to polish my American accent to sound like a native speaker of the American accent. So yes, if you were looking forward to have an American accent, you can always learn it. Whatever you love, you can always learn it if you want to learn it. I loved the American accent. I love America too. I wanted to have like a very beautiful American native accent. So I decided to work on it. I worked so hard for this accent that you guys are leaving comments and talking, typing. You know your hands is too fast. You guys will just come online, smoke, Igbo, come to my comment section to come and type and say, oh, your accent is this, your accent is that. I worked so hard. I paid for this accent. I did my research on this accent. And then I am not even happy at where I am right now. I really want to get better at the accent as well. Perfect. So all of you leaving comments in my comment section talking to me about my accent, should stop leaving comments, because number one thing you're going to get leaving those comments is that you will be blocked from viewing my channel or even my videos. I would also delete your comments, and there's nowhere in this planet Earth that I wrote in my community that I needed someone's opinion concerning my accent. So whatsoever that is doing you, that is pushing you, that is telling you go and leave comments in this girl's comment section and tell her that her accent is rubbish, please keep leaving it, because you keep getting your comments deleted. Yes, come closer. Maybe you're not listening to me very well. Your comment will be deleted. Yeah. I hope I've been able to address that part. This accent thing has become an issue in the YouTube community, and the people leaving this comments in your comment section are your brothers and sisters, Nigerian people. Now, a lot of YouTubers have suffered from this accent bashing whatsoever. I have done a video talking about people bashing YouTubers' accent because they don't sound like the way you want them to sound. What I have learned in my life, in my entire life, is that I cannot please everybody. I cannot be anybody for you to be happy. I will not do anything to make you comfortable. If you're not comfortable with my content or the way that I speak, it is perfect. You can unsubscribe, but don't leave no hate comments in my comment section. I would not appreciate that. I'm going to be mentioning names. Alma Bell, Binta Smile have been bashed because of their Nigerian accent. Fantastic Favor has been bashed because of American accent because you guys don't like the way they speak, like they have their Igbo tongue. I go to their comment section and I see you leaving comments there saying, oh, your Igbo tongue is too much. Somebody even left a comment for Alma Bell saying, oh, your Igbo tongue is too much.
Why not find a way to polish your accents and sound like your kids, because your kids have American accent?
Like, sis, wow. Did you even read what you wrote to that lady? Did you even put yourself in her shoes to see how you would feel if somebody had left that comment for you? Most of you coming here to type this comment because you're hiding behind one anonymous name. You're hiding, you can't even come and stay in my face and tell me,
your accent is rubbish. Oh, this.
You will still come and rejoice with me and form you want to take pictures. But then when you come to my comment section, you come and dump your shit there. My comment section is not for you to dump your shit. Clean it. Take it somewhere else. And you have to put it at the back of your mind that not everything you see on social media is going to be very enticing or will be good for you to see. Not everything you see on social media will be something that you want to see. I have grown and learned that a long time, that not everything I want everybody to sound like or look like or act like I am going to get. Okay? I am not going to, because of 10 people saying in my comments, oh, your accent is rubbish, and then start changing my accent to sound like something that I am not comfortable talking like whenever I'm in front of my camera. I tried. When the comments were getting so much, I tried to sound like what you guys wanted me to sound like. But then I realized this is not me. This is me here. I am being myself. I always use this motto, to thy own self, be true. And this is me being in my true state. And if I feel like speaking American accent, that's because that's how comfortable I am speaking on camera. Sometimes I will leave content reviewing products. You guys will not watch the products review. You'll be looking at my accent. And then 30 minutes later, you are in my DMs asking me questions concerning the same damn products I just reviewed for you guys. And the same question you're asking is something that I've already stated in details in that video. But because you are not watching the video, you are looking at my accent, you are having an issue with my accent, you could not watch the video. And then the next thing I see you do is come to my DMs to
come and tell me, I just watched your video and I want you to tell me what this cream does to the skin.
When I already stated that in the video. But because you have an issue with my accent, you don't want to learn anything that I have to say. You don't want to subscribe to my channel because you have an issue with my accent. It is fine. I know a lot of YouTubers I watch on YouTube that I don't even like the way they talk. I don't like the way they act. I don't even like the way they do things. But that doesn't give me the rights to go to their comment section and leave them junks of hateful comments. I don't have the rights to make people feel awful. Let me tell you something. I am prepared for YouTube. I am prepared for the social media platform and all the hateful comments you guys have. Keep them coming. It makes it feel like, oh yeah, I exist. Keep it coming. When you're keeping it coming, just get ready for your comments to be deleted, because I do not know where I stated in the planet Earth, oh yeah, I needed some human being's opinion in my comment section. I don't need your bloody opinion. Your opinion does not matter. And I cannot be anybody else because you don't like the way I am right now. If you cannot love me for who I am, then you have to deal with what I am. I will not change because you don't like me. I have learned so far that not everybody would like you. So the best thing for you to do is just be yourself. And that is what I'm doing. I will keep speaking this American accent. And if you cannot cope, you can unsubscribe. Don't leave your junks in my comment section and call it comments. You can unsubscribe and go to another person's channel that speaks the way that you like. Okay, now, all these YouTubers that have been speaking like the way you wanted them to speak, why then are you guys still bashing them for having an Igbo accent? I thought you wanted us to sound Nigerian. Now they're Nigerian YouTubers sounding like Nigerian, and you're not still comfortable. You're still leaving comments telling them that
we don't like your accents. Can you just tone your Igbo tongue a little bit?
Like, who are you to tell anybody about their accent? Nobody owes you any freaking explanation as to how their accent is or how they decide to speak. So if I am going to be speaking like my American accent and you don't like it, sis, you might as well just catwalk the way you came in and catwalk out, because I am not here to beg anybody to stay with me. Not everybody that I watch their content I like. No. I don't like what I hate. So if you don't like me, it's fine. But don't leave your junks in my comment section and tell me how I'm supposed to speak. If you don't like the way that I speak, you can go and start up your own YouTube channel. YouTube is free to start up. All you need is a Google account. Start up your YouTube page and speak the way that you want to speak. And if you're bothered about how I speak, pick up an earpiece. When you're finished recording your video, listen to the way you sound and be happy. Don't come and tell me how I should speak in my video or in my channel. This channel is your own. Did I ask you for Google bully me? Did I use your data and open this channel? So why are you coming to my comment section to tell me about my accent? How did my accent affect your life right now? Right now, today is Sunday. I'm sure you're cooking rice and stew. Has my accent in any way stopped your rice from cooking properly on the stove, or is now half done? I'm not gonna tolerate anybody leaving comments like that in my comment section. Otherwise, you're gonna get blocked, number one. Number two, you'll be deleted. Number three, I will report your ass. Thank God YouTube has given us the opportunity to be able to report people like that, leaving bullying comments. Sometimes when I go to other YouTubers' comment section, I see some kind of comments that people leave there. I'm like, God, are you guys even thinking when you're typing these things? You don't have any right to come and tell people or bring anybody down. And not everything you see on social media is going to bless you. It's going to be something you like. They will not change themselves because of one single person does not like the way that they're doing stuff. So if you cannot be happy with them because of how they behave or how they choose to relate to their audience, then you can always go to somebody that you can relate easily with. This YouTube platform is very vast, very large. There's so many, tons of millions of content creators on YouTube, and they have tons of accents that you might like. So you can always subscribe to these people and watch them. You don't need to come and tell me about my own. Go and watch somebody that you like. But oh well, I can't tell anybody how to behave or how to do things. Anyway, this is my channel and I have every right to do whatever I want. I repeat, whatever I want, aside the ones that is going to affect YouTube's guidelines. Whatever I want is what I will do on my YouTube page. And as far as I'm comfortable speaking my American accent, I am not changing it for anybody. So if you cannot deal with it, deal with it. I know I don't make any sense, but then if you cannot deal with me, deal with it. And those of you telling me that I cut my video short, I cut my video short because I like the effect that it gives me when I cut it short. And I like the fact that I don't have to waste data to post one video out there on YouTube. So I like to cut my video short. All of you complain like this. It's not as if you're going to come and buy me data when I want to post my video. So why do you think you can come and tell me how I should act in my video, or what I'm supposed to talk like, or how I'm supposed to sound like? You are not buying me data. It's not as if I come and write in the comment section, please, I need data, or even stay in front of this camera and say, I need data. You're going to come and give me money to buy data. You won't give me. Then when I post my video, you now think you can come and tell me how the video should have gone or how I should have related in the video better. No, you don't have that right. And today I just came here to say that to you guys. But then that is it for this video. I hope I have been able to address your hateful comments. Anyways, if you watch the end of this video, you're an OG. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. And if you're not subscribed yet and you have watched this video and it's pushing you to subscribe, don't even waste time, just subscribe. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you really liked it. And I'll see you guys in another awesome upload. Bye.